Good morning. Today we got some more Ghosts from the Past second hunting to open up. This time we got a full display, so we'll see if we have any more luck in these 5 boxes. Okay, we'll start with the first 4 here. Like I said in the last video, even in multiple displays, people haven't been able to pull any Ghost Rares, so we shall see. Okay, we'll do the Dark Magician Girl next. For some luck. Ying Zing Brutality, Advanced Ritual Art. It's a good card. Dark Magician of the Dark, Dragon Knight, Reptilian Lamia, and Ghost Trick Dillahan. Nope. Samsara Dragon Code Generator. Okay, that's a good card. Mardell, Sanctum of, can't even say that, and Fist of the Unrivaled Tenyi again. Okay, last pack, Cyber Dragon. Vampire Sorcerer, Infernity Pawn, Majesty Hyperion, Codex Border, and the Chorus in the Sky. Okay, next box. Okay, we'll start with the Blue Eyes pack. Vision Hero Crease, and nope. Okay, Void Cauldron. Oh, nice. This card's so broken, but it's an awesome card. Especially if you're into Link monsters. Shadow Empire. Whirlwind Dragon, nice. It's one of the cards I wanted to get. Okay, nice. Oh, here we go. Awesome. Only in the second. That's the second box. Nice. Just Vampire Duke. Okay. Really good start. Okay. That's awesome. Okay. Outburst Dragon. Okay, next box. Okay, we'll do the Dark Magician Girl next first. Okay, we're into the third box. Well, already we've had some good luck. Heavenly Dragon Circle. Another one. I'll take it. Awesome. If we get 3 of those, I'm cool with that. Another what? Okay. What the hell? Wait, was this? Yeah, this is a different box, but geez, okay. That's awesome. What? Okay, next box. Okay, 4th box. So far, it's been a success, I'd say. I mean, if we can get another Ghost Rare, it'd be awesome. But I'm pretty happy with this so far. Some Samsara Dragon. If I see another Borderland dragon, that might be good luck. That'd be a good sign, so let's hope we do. Brutality, Galaxy Soldier, and Vampire Sucker. Cupid Pitch, Chronicle Vampire, Ancient of Miracles. Box of Friends, Vampire Sorcerer, Protector of the Agent's Moon, Contract with the Void, and Lamia. Okay, nothing there, but I'm still happy. Okay, now we're into the last box. Sandwich and Vampire Domination. I'll save the Blue Eyes and Dark Magician Girl pack for last. Because why not? Nirvana High Paladin, number 97. Okay. Roku Warrior Lady. Final pack. A pretty good box display, sorry. Code Generator. And that's it.